Hello, my name is Alpert Yashar and I'm the Applications Engineer here at Swift Sensors. Today I'll be showing you how to set up your alerts. Once you have logged into your account, click on the Alerts button at the top of your screen. You can add a new alert to your account by clicking on the gray plus icon here. This is where you'll be able to name your alert, give it a description if needed, choose the delivery methods. We offer email, SMS, and/or phone call, and then the criteria in which you want to be alerted by. We also offer a delay feature on our alerts, where the system will wait for criteria to be met for the delay amount before sending an alert. Let's create an example alert right now. Once you are done with this page, you can click on the blue checkmark button. Next, you would have to assign the measurements and the users associated with this alert. Since this is the freezer alert, I will choose all the freezer measurements. Next, I will choose all the users. You have now created an alert in the Swift Sensors console. For more information, please visit us at www.swiftsensors.com/support or email us at support@swiftsensors.com.